Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can change font size in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go right top corner to the three dots and then just click settings. And when you're gonna be here, you want to click on appearance. In appearance, you're gonna see it here, font size, right? And you just want to simply click on it. And you can change it to very, very large. Everything is going to be large. I have it on medium, but if you are like not such great eyes, I recommend going with large. And it's going to help you. Like my mom is using very large fonts and on mobile, and it's working really well for her. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye.